Hello friends! Welcome to Library Facts. In today's video, we will learn how to conduct a systematic literature review, step by step, in easy way. This video will help you understand the entire process clearly. Let's get started. What is a systematic literature review? A systematic literature review, SLR, is a structured and comprehensive method to collect, evaluate, and analyze existing research on a specific topic. Unlike traditional reviews, it follows a predefined methodology and aims to minimize bias by using clear inclusion and exclusion criteria. SLRs are important because they summarize current knowledge, identify research gaps, and guide evidence-based decision-making. They are considered more reliable than regular literature reviews and are often used in academic, healthcare, and policy research. When to conduct an SLR? Conduct an SLR when you're entering a new research area or planning a thesis, dissertation, or policy paper. It's useful when the existing knowledge base is vast and scattered, and you need a summarized, unbiased understanding. Your research question should be clear, focused, and answerable. Clearly state what you aim to achieve from your review. Are you identifying trends, comparing studies, or evaluating effectiveness? Objectives should align with your research question and guide the overall direction of the review. A protocol outlines your review plan in advance. It includes research questions, inclusion/exclusion criteria, databases, keywords, and analysis methods. Decide in advance which studies to include or exclude. Use parameters like publication year, language, study design, population, and geographical region. This helps maintain objectivity and consistency in study. Selection. Select relevant databases for your topic. For example, PubMed, Scopus, Web of Science, JSTOR, and Google Scholar. Use multiple sources to avoid missing important studies and ensure a comprehensive search. Use Boolean operators and or not, wildcards, and exact phrases to develop your search string. Combine keywords strategically to narrow down or broaden your search according to your research focus. Search all selected databases using your strategy. Export all search results, including titles, abstracts, and citation data, into reference management software like Zotero, EndNote, or Mendeley for easier organization. After downloading articles from multiple databases, remove duplicates to avoid repetition. Tools like EndNote or Rayan can help automate this step and clean your dataset for screening. Screen studies in 2 phases: SAD Phase 1, title and abstract screening, 2 full text screening. This process helps you identify studies that meet your inclusion criteria and filter out irrelevant ones. Design a form to extract key data from selected studies, such as author, year, sample size, methodology, outcomes, and key findings. Use tools like CASP, Prisma, or Grade to assess the quality of included studies. This helps you determine if the evidence is strong, moderate, or weak, improving the reliability of your review. Present extracted data in tables or thematic categories. This helps identify trends, common themes, gaps, and contradictions in the literature. If the studies have similar quantitative data, perform a meta-analysis using statistical tools like RevMan. This combines numerical data to produce more generalized and reliable findings across studies. For qualitative studies, perform thematic analysis. Identify common patterns or themes from narrative data. Group similar insights together to derive meaningful conclusions and understand the broader picture. During review, note the missing links, topics that are under-researched or outdated. Summarize the main findings of your review. Highlight the answers to your research question. The strength of evidence, gaps found, and what it all means for practice or future research. Every review has limitations, like language bias, limited databases, or publication year restrictions. Structure your report into sections: introduction, methodology, results, discussion, conclusion, and references. Use academic language, visuals where needed, and follow formatting guidelines of your target journal. A Prisma diagram visually represents how many studies were found, exclude it, screened, and finally include it. List all articles included in your review using a consistent citation style, like APA, MLA, etc. Utilize tools like Zotero, EndNote, Mendeley for reference management, and others. Apply quality tools like Amstar, Grade to assess the reliability of your findings. Present data visually. Keep the review updated. Don't forget to share and subscribe to Library Facts. Thank you.